how to teleport to village in Minecraft. So first what I want to do is just simply go to your world or to your game and make sure that cheats or commands are enabled. And once you're good with that, just go and open up your chat wheel or your chat bar right here. And simply type in locate slash locate structure, then village. And once you've typed in that, now you will need to pick whether you want desert, plains, savanna, snowy, or taiga. So let's say I want plains. So I'm just gonna pick plains right here and click on enter. And this will show the coordinates for that village. What you need to do now is find your y coordinates, since what the y coordinates are not given. And to do that, just simply click on F3 on your keyboard. So open up F3 and this will pop up. And here you will see the XYZ coordinates on the left side, just below the Minecraft overworld word right there. So the XYZ. So mine is 112. And just close out of this once you've seen your Y coordinates. Then what you need to do now is just open the chat bar again. Then type in slash TP, then put your coordinates. So mine was 256. And my Y coordinates are 115, then 656. Just like that, then click on enter. As you can see, I will be automatically TP'd in the village. And that's how I basically teleport to village in Minecraft.